Gyakorlatot, és erre figyelmeztessék utastársaikat is. Viszontlátásra!
Kálátsi pályaudvar. This train terminates here. Please leave the train upon arrival. Goodbye.
Yeah, right now on my way to Goudou. Goudou is a different city from Budapest. It's like 30-35 minutes, but the deal is this. I'm going for my friend's graduation. You're going to see them in a bit. I was here last year with Fina. Hi Fina. I was here last year. It was almost the same. I think it was like 10th of June last year. Probably these people do their graduation ceremonies on the same day, you know. Yeah, so right now I don't even know the exact stuff. I hope I get it. I'm hoping, really. I'm really hoping, because once you miss it, yeah, the train just keeps traveling for another 30 minutes before it stops again. So you guys pray for me. I'll be down in a bit. Congratulations to Thelma and Ruth. You guys are amazing. Ruth and Thelma have been in my videos. Actually, Thelma has been in my videos, a few of them, and Ruth has been in one of my videos in February. Actually, amazing girls. Yeah, I'm in the train, as you can see. I'm trying not to show people around me because you never know what's going to happen. Yeah, we stop now for something, for some people to get in. So, yeah, so I made it. Okay, there's this bridge that leads into this city actually, but I think something is going on, like an exhibition. They're showing off this very old train. You see? Let me see if I can zoom in. It's an event or something, and there are so many people. This locomotive trains. See the amount of steam or gas or whatever it's emitting. There's something going on over there. So anyway, right now we are. Oh, these people look good. I don't know though. I'm just walking into the university. So this is the uni. You know, I think 2 years ago. Or 3 years ago, that was in 2014, I was here actually in this building for one meeting, something with United Nations, I think. I remember I took a picture here with Afzal. If you're watching, I have a picture here with Afzal and Mirwais. Time flies. Yeah, that's I think it's the main building. That's not where the ceremony is taking place though. And I think the ceremony is going to be over in a bit. Should end for 12 o'clock, I think. But they will just be saying some things. Well, I've had it before. Last year was my graduation. Okay, I'll show myself. Yeah, so last year I graduated, not from this campus, a different one. And so you guys are graduating now. It's amazing, you know, people are going to come celebrate with you and stuff. But I know before I graduated last year, I was so worried. What am I going to do? What's next for me? And so many people are probably thinking the same. What am I going to do? Okay, I should walk this way. But you see the sprinklers or the irrigation stuff. And I'll be soaked, you know, so I'll go this way instead. Yeah. It's dark now. So you think, what are you going to do? See, in April 2016, before I graduated, I submitted more than, okay, I'm not going to exaggerate, but more than 1,000 applications. I wanted anything. I just wanted something, you know, anything. But looking back, I think it's okay for you not to have a clue. You don't have to have it, you don't need to have it figured out yet, okay? Just take your time. Of course, you need money, you need to pay your rent, you need to pay bills, you need to do these things. Yeah, I understand that. I think I'm lost already. I don't know how to go. But anyways, let's just keep walking. I understand you have to do these things, but take some time off. If you want to travel, travel. If you want to be lazy for a bit, be lazy for a bit. I'm trying to get it light. Oh, yeah, but don't be too worried. You will be worried, of course, but don't be so. Now I have a clue. It took me 1 year. It's 2017 already. I have a clue what I want to do. You know, so it may take you less than 1 year. It might take you even more than 1 year. But make sure that you go through the process not stressed, you know, not frustrated. Just take it. And one thing you should know, I think, from my experiences, it's okay for you to do something you don't like for a bit. Because people have this, I don't know how we were taught, like, you need to get a job you like, or you need to do something you like. Yes, you will do something you like eventually, but you don't have to do it right away. If it doesn't come, don't be lazy, do something else. People just sit back, okay, I'm not going to do this right now because it's not my dream job. I'm not going to do that. You're wasting your time and you're wasting your life. Do something, don't be lazy. You discover that when you're doing something, even though it's not exactly as you planned it, the right opportunities will come. I think that's just how life works. If you're lazy, nothing is gonna come. So don't be lazy. Don't be lazy, okay? It's okay to do this job that's gonna make you stay awake all night. That's gonna just make you not have time. Things would fall into place. I can guarantee you. I am a witness. I can tell you for sure. 1 year and I can see that my life has changed quite a lot. I'm thankful to God, you know, I'm thankful to the process. So just take it one step at a time. Now the graduation is about to end. I can feel it. I can see people coming out of the hall already. See, that's supposed to be the hall. And people, I know last year I was here with my friends Zainab, Kenny, Dakwa. They were graduating also, just like today. Time flies, time flies. So now I just have to locate my friends wherever they are, if they are here. I hope I know somebody. Okay, so everyone is busy taking pictures. I can't even vlog, you know. Oh, finally I can see Thelma. She's over there, posing for a picture with their dean or something. Alright, so that's Thelma. This one is Thelma. Alright, so basically I've been a photographer, not been able to vlog. Yeah, taking like 1.5 billion pictures already. But this is everyone.
Thank you, God bless you.
This is Thelma.
What? Crazy, oh yeah.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm recording my video.
Oh, you remember Thelma?
Yeah, this is Thelma from my videos. This is Emmanuel.
This is me.
This is Emmanuel.
Congratulations.
Yeah, this is Ada. Congratulations to
yeah, I'm graduated.
Yeah, and this is Wu.
This is Namdi. So it's a whole big family here. I'm so happy and I'm so glad to have them here. And Michael is the best.
I'm good. Now you know, yeah.
Here comes the king of Hungary.
And this is a very funny young man. His name is Tosin. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing, taking pictures and stuff. We'll see. I'm waiting to see Ruth and just leave. There's gonna be a reception, so you guys will see later, okay? Bye. Alright, so this is Ruth. She's looking so good,
Hi.
She's looking so cool, yeah? What are you doing? What are you showing?
Shaking my ass. Shake for your mama again. Woo! I'm done. I'm done.
Where's the certificate? Yeah. She's got it.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Anyway.
I'm going. Alright.
Yeah, so that's Ruth.
Love you all.
Alright, so
I'm damn so fine, man.
you're so fine, yeah?
I know, right?
You know, right? And that's Stelma. Stelma has also got on a red dress. I never knew, you know. Stelma. Everyone's got a red dress. There's one more person with the red dress. Red dresses. You fit sit down for you. You have to dance, Ruth. Okay? Dance. It's okay. What selfie? It takes you time to remember yourself.
But the last guy that is doing well, they police it now in Dortmund. You don't police it.
So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So big thank you for joining me. See you next week. Bye.